A memorial took place in Tokyo on March 10th, the 78th anniversary of the Great Tokyo Air Raid. This year also marks 100 years since the Great Kanto earthquake. Tokyo Governor Koike Yuriko emphasized the importance of handing down memories of war and disasters to next generations. The Memorial Hall in Tokyo enshrines the remains of more than 160,000 people. They include victims of the temblor that struck in September 1923 and the major U.S. bombing in 1945. Crown Prince Fumihito and Crown Princess Kiko also attended the memorial service.